Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this T-Cross R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in deep black pearlescent. It's got that 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. You've also got the full Volkswagen service history as well, giving peace of mind motoring. Starting off at the front is LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. Down the side, these lovely 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels are finished off the exterior perfectly. And there's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor, which is currently in its lowest setting. Inside is a signature R-Line upholstery with a park cloth, leather and Alcantara. Your rear passengers have got a couple of USB ports as well. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside your centre armrest. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display, housing all your vital driving information. And alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This will allow you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors, which is backed up by this optionally fitted rear view camera. And moving a little bit further down the cabin is doors and climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you would like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.